आप सबको सादर नमस्कार, प्रणाम और धन्यवाद. I'm very honored and privileged to be here. Truly, the city of Sangam, united, the rivers Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. And this is the abode of Saraswati, that is Vidya, knowledge. And knowledge is life. My own training in Indian classical dance began when I was 7 years old and still continues. Learning has no or chore. Adi Ananta Akhanda Abheda Acheda. Bhava Raga Tala. Bha-ra-ta. Bhava, your innermost expressions, your innermost feelings, sentiments, thinking, mood. Raga. Raga has beautiful two aspects. One, of course, is the melody, the raga, music. Raga is also affection, love, anuraga, raga. And that can give color to your life. Tala. Tala is actually the measure, the space between two tali, between two words. That space is very important. And if that space is not given, everything becomes confused. So, bhava, raga, and tala, they make up what we call Bharatiya Samskruti. And I've been very fortunate again to carry these ideas across 90 countries, across my own country. मैं हमेशा से एक विद्यार्थी रही. The attitude I inherit from my family, my grandfather, दादाजी, उनका प्यार दुलार लिया. लेकिन दादाजी की कुछ सीख, some of his, what shall I say, observations, suggestions, advice, remain humble. Your feet should be on bhumi, earth, but your head should be in the clouds. आपकी सोच ऊंची, आपका काम एक बढ़ते हुए वृक्ष की तरह, लेकिन मूल आपके अंदर. ठीक है? मीरा का नाम सुना है? एरी मैं तो प्रेम दीवानी, मेरो दर्द न जाने कोई, मेरे तो गिरधर गोपाल दूसरो न कोई. मीरा की फिलॉसफी, मेरी नाट्य कथा लास्ट वन, कबीर है, नानक हैं, रैदास हैं, बहुत हैं, लेकिन मीरा तो मीरा है. मैं इसलिए कह रही हूँ कि my work, my choreographies, beginning from what I learned from my gurus, beginning with my Bharatanatyam guru in Bangalore, who challenged me to show, I was 17, and working towards my Arangetram, my maiden performance. There were monkeys dancing. I was not getting the required bhava. My maiden recital was just a few days away. And he said, show me the difference between monkey and you. बंदर में और तेरे में क्या फर्क है बता. आज भी मैं यही कोशिश में लगी हुई हूँ. और जब मैं देखती हूँ कि इतना सारा टेलीविज़न में हो रहा है, सारे कॉम्पिटिशन्स हो रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. लेकिन I would like to put this idea in everybody's head that no gesture is meaningless, no word is meaningless. हर एक शब्द जब मंत्र बन जाए और हर एक आपकी मुद्रा, आपका जेस्चर अर्थपूर्ण बन जाए, तब तो कोई बात है. तो मैं विद्यार्थी की बात कर रही थी. आई गो बैक टू दैट. एक बढ़िया श्लोक है. there's a beautiful श्लोक that I've adopted as my. It says, काकस्नानं बकध्यानं श्वान निद्रा तथैव च अल्पाहारी गृहत्यागी इत्येव विद्यार्थी पंचलक्षणम. What are the 5 attributes of a vidyarthi? Student is a very small word. You study. But vidya कुछ और है, उससे ऊपर है. तो हमेशा आप दिन प्रतिदिन एक तिल भर उठने की, आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं. कहते हैं कौवे को देखो, इतना सा पानी, कहीं puddle of water, छटपट छटपट उड़ गया. बकत ध्यानम, बगुला, एग्रेट, एक पांव पे खड़ा है खेत में. आपको लगेगा अरे यहाँ स्टैचू किसने बना दिया. उसका ध्यान. एक छोटा जंतु, वर्म, फिश, चप. गुरु का शब्द, पढ़ा हुआ शब्द, विद्या का एक वर्ड, चप. यहाँ श्वान निद्रा. श्वान इज कुत्ता, डॉग. आई हैव नॉट सीन अ डॉग खर्राटे लेके सो रहा है, सोया हुआ है. वन स्मॉल लीफ फॉल्स and one ear goes up like a radar. Alertness, satarkata. हर जगह से सीखना है. Learning from everywhere. और अल्पाहारी, उतना ही लो that nourishes your mind and your body. And ग्रह त्यागी, घर छोड़ के, घर यानी the comforts, the pleasures, the laad pyar of the family. Bete, nine. No. Discipline. Everyday, daily discipline. गृहत्यागी. इत्येव विद्यार्थी पंचलक्षणम. और ये पांचों लक्षण मुझे लागू होते हैं. So I can talk with authenticity. Right? So, when I was working towards my Arangetram in 1961 in Bangalore, I told you, my guru said, show me the difference between monkey and you. My grandfather was governor of Mysore. It was not called Karnataka then. And he said, darling, in our society, dance is not looked upon as something that brings respect. Learning it, okay. Yeah, sitar, vocal music, painting. But the way you are going. So I said, then why is Rukmini Devi so frequently invited? Rukmini Devi Arundel, who set up Kalakshetra, world famous. He said, yes, because she is working for the society. She's working for the people. She's working. I said, okay, all right, I will also. He took 2 promises. Be vachana, and I'll be with you. What were those promises? 1, you will not make dance your business. Right? It's never been my business. I built my institute with my dance money, but I don't have any property in my name. I couldn't buy a single apartment even. Even today, when my term is over, I will shift from my government bungalow to a rented apartment. I never made it my business. Number 2, you will never compromise your self-respect. आत्मसम्मान के साथ कभी समझौता नहीं करोगी तो नहीं किया. I've been called, by the way, arrogant, difficult, temperamental, गुस्सा करती है, सख्त है. Thank you very much. I like that. These are compliments for a woman who stands alone on her own feet and does not compromise the self-respect. और आप समझ सकते हो कि अभी तो 80 साल ख़त्म हो रहे हैं. 25, 30, 40, 50, 55 की थी, क्या रही होंगी, धमाकेदार, है ना. चले आए, डांस कर रहे हैं, बस. उसके बाद मर्यादा. 3 लाइन, nobody can cross unless I give permission. तो ये बहुत दादाजी के वचन हमने आज तक पालन किए हैं. इसी वजह से मुझे लगता है कि my own growth as a woman, as an individual, as a human being, and as a dancer has been somewhat phenomenal. Body is my vehicle. Body is the medium by which we all work. आपका दिमाग भी तो खोपड़ी में है ना. खोपड़ी is a part of the body, your head. But here, as a classical dancer, if I have to learn 28 single hand gestures, 24 double hand gestures, any number of nuances, prayog, how to use them in different situations, I can use this one Suchi Mudra for showing one, for showing Parabrahma, for saying you, for saying here, for saying no, for thinking, for so many things, depending on my intelligence. If I have to use my eyes, not like a dead fish eye, like my Guruji used to say, dead fish eyes, not allowed. Your eyes are mirror of your soul, they say. So, show me your soul. And the eyes begin to speak. This is the only organ, by the way, that is out and in. You close your eyes, you are with yourself. You open your eyes, you are with the world. How to use that to give meaning, as it was read out. Women issues. If they say that Sri Ramachandra touched Ahalya with the foot and she came alive. Valmiki Ramayana tells us Guru Vishwamitra told Sri Ram and Lakshman, that is Ahalya, in reply to Ram's question. He tells him the story, and she is in deep meditation. Go and touch her feet. उनके पैर छुइए. जब राम ने स्पर्श किया तो अहल्या came alive. Now when I narrate this in my Natya Katha and tell people, I've done this all over India and even abroad, they are absolutely shocked. Why? Because I reiterate the values of our, not myths, Puran, our stories. If I talk about Krishna and the Kaliya Nag in Yamuna, so Krishna jumps into the water and battles, vanquishes, Kaliya surrenders. He doesn't kill him. He says, go with your entire Kunba, your entire clan, away, far away in the ocean, where you cannot harm anyone. Today we talk of river pollution. This is the Drishtanta. This is how I say at the end of my dance, and I always pose a question, who is Krishna today? the government, Supreme Court, or each one of us. Do we have a social responsibility? If I talk about Panchakanya, if I talk about woman, 3 E's: educate, empower, enlighten. Woman as the mother is the first guru. We know that. We all talk about it. But how many people really believe in it? So the entire order of the Srishti, the cosmic order, begins and ends with Shakti. कि there is only energy, no matter. Matter जैसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है हमारी बुद्धि को समझाने के लिए, because we always want to. दो हैं तो हमें समझ में आता है, एक ही है, how to deal with it. But then that is energy appears in different formulations, formats, forms. You can visualize the way you want. ये हमारे यहाँ सदियों पहले कहा गया. Then people say, always talk of, millennium and millennia and what to do? यूनान और मिस्र रूमा सब मिट गए जहाँ से, मगर अब तक है बाकी नामो निशान हमारा. तो हम तो ये what to do with it? We have to deal with it. How we can bring those values, those ideas, those thoughts and apply them today to revisit, to re-educate, to rethink, to re-navigate our course of action in every field of life. Thank you. Thank you very much. I hope you will all enjoy a full life. Sabka kalyan ho. Shubhamastu, Mangalamastu, Kalyanamastu, Namaskar, Pranam, Vandan.